Paris Visit Pass. Dear Gabrielle, what is a Paris Visit Pass? The Paris Visit Pass grants you unrestricted access to the metro for 1, 2, 3, or 5 consecutive calendar days. For example, if you use a 3-day Paris Visit Pass at 2 p.m. on Sunday, it will be good until midnight on Tuesday. You can purchase it in advance and is good from the day of first use. The price of the Paris Visit Pass depends on how many days and zones selected. See the chart. Children aged 4 under 12 pay half price, and children under age 4 are free. It is non-transferable and non-refundable. Also, the Paris Visit Pass entitles you to discounts at selected tourist attractions with participating partners. See the link in the description. To validate your pass, print your last name, nom, your first name, prénom, on the reusable magnetic ticket. Then print the starting date, de, and ending date, au, with the day, month, year format. If applicable, print the pass serial number, numéro de carte, on the ticket. Transit agents will issue fines, payable immediately, if your pass is not filled out correctly. Fares are effective as of August 2018. For more useful information on the Paris Metro, please subscribe to Easy Paris Metro's channel.